everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to activate Netspend card quick and easy with a few simple steps. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. A Netspend card is a prepaid Visa card that offers its holders the ability to purchase goods and services with a credit card. If you'd like to activate your Netspend credit card, then simply open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in www.netspend.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of Netspend, which looks like this, go and click the activate card link at the top right next to the login button. Remember that you must be signed up for your Netspend account in order to activate your credit card, so make sure that you're signed up, and once you end up in this page, click on the card number text box and type in the card number available on your Netspend card you'd like to activate. Once you enter your card number, head over to the security code text box and type in your security code for your Netspend card, and finally click the continue button. On the next page, you'll be prompted to provide your address, social security number and date of birth. Enter them in the empty fields appropriately and follow the on-screen prompts till the end in order to activate your Netspend card. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.